Good day, everyone. Our lesson for the day is about preferences of the technology generation. What the old generations likes may not be the same as what the new generation prefers in their life, work, and leisure. It is important that critical differences in perception between old and young, which create a generation gap, need to be discussed. Old generation has a build of slow and single-track pattern activities. Text versus visuals. Our parents read book text enriched by illustrations and photos. In order them to research, they go to school library and borrowed books. The technology or digital generation, or the visuals, has greater affinity to visuals compared with text. In fact, they have been exposed since childhood to cable television and video images, especially cartoon characters. And then, the computer images in such manner that their visual fluency or abilities have been sharpened and enhanced. Linear versus hypermedia. The past 30-year-old generation has obtained information in a linear, logical, and sequential manner. The new generation, however, follows a personal random access, hyperlinked digital information, less superior to elders in focus and reflection. Independent versus social learners. The traditional education system gives priority to independent learning. They learn through themselves because it is independent, so they independently learn through themselves. New learners are acquainted with digital tools that adapt to both personal and participative work. For example, they use Facebook, Twitter, and some mobile texts or calls to have a social to be socialized with others. Learning to pass the test versus learning to do. All teachers teach students in order to help them to pass tests and complete the course requirement. They only use the short-term memory in which they has the capability to forget what they have tackled or what the lesson is about. In other hand, the new generation learners simply wish to acquire knowledge and habits as windows of opportunity afford them to do learn. They use the long-term memory, delayed rewards, and instant gratification. The traditional reward system in education consists in the grades, honors, certificates, medal, and diplomas. Including future jobs, the traditional school reward system consists of unclear reward performance. They need to wait months, days, or even years to have the rewards and diploma certificates and etc. On the other hand, digital learners or the instant gratification experience more immediate gratification. For example, is the games in cell phone, they get the reinforcements or the rewards. Rote memory versus fun learning. Teachers feel obliged to delivering content-based courses, the learning of which is measurable by standard tests. They use only the little intelligence or also the short-term memory. Digital learners prefer fun learning, which is relevant and instantaneously useful to them. Learning is play to new learners, and not surprisingly, there is much fun in the digital world outside the school. For example, is the text quiz bee. You're not just memorizing, but rather you are free to feel the game and having fun. The next one is there are apparent setbacks or limitations to digital learning. There are opportunities to tap through the new learner's digital fluency with visual learning with the use of audiovisuals, media, and multimedia. Using hyperlink multimedia for projects that enhance work focus and reflection, and problem-solving activities to suit the new generation style and preference for fun and relevant learning. That's all for today and thank you.